Gianches.
Blue. Bacarisas Derek.
Winner, Al Paloma Aquino. Next bout,
Indulan, step forward. Ilayan.
Lianto versus Bacusco Atira. Please step on the platform.
Baguio John, Polistico Gian, Kamay Mark, Gonzaga Adrian, please proceed to the awarding area. Again, please proceed to the awarding area.
Next bout, Shihan Irene Lanto versus Bacosmo Atira. Bacosmo Atira, please raise your hand. From ASK Cebu.
Inocencio, raise your hand. Inocencio, Frank.
Bilantres Kurt, stand by.
Liberal Jefferson, raise your hand.
Again, Bacosmo Atira.
Bilantres.
Sunod. Winner, Aka.
Bacosmo Atira from ASK Cebu. Please raise your hand.
Belen Bores. Belen Bores. Neri Matt. Neri Matt from KSA, stand by.
To the mat now, please.
Winner, Al, JKS Philippines CV for gold, JKS Dumaguete silver. Congratulations and proceed to the awarding area. Next, 12 to 15 years old, novice team kata boys. Aka, AOK, Punbo.
Please prepare. Mama Tilde Diaz versus Tan Suzanne here after this match.
Bilantres, step forward. Bilantres. First call, Atom team. Second call, Atom team. Third call, Atom team from JKS Philippines Central District.
Next match, Mama Tilde Diaz versus Tan Suzanne. Please
Winner,
stand up.
AOK Bongo, gold. Congratulations. Please proceed to the awarding area. Neri Matt. Next bout, 12 to 15 years old, novice team kata girls. Belen Torres, Tawas Cebu, Aka. AOK San Lucas, Ao. First call, Belen Torres. Second call, Belen Torres. Third call, Belen Torres.
12 to 15 intermediate team kata boys. Last call, Puntao, Mandawi, Cebu. ASK Cebu T3. Proceed to
Edulan
the
Jarod.
now.
Nodalo Twinets.
Abogatal, step forward. Jarod. Abogatal, step forward. Cuenca Terence, raise your hand. Step forward. Cuenca.
Next bout. Zihari
Abogatal, forward.
versus Kunohon Eliza. Please step at the mat's line.
For 10 to 11 years old, Novice Committee boys, Kabante Aka, Hiromatsu, Ao, Latini, Ao, Omila, Aka,
Sensei.
Ao, Balbos,
Sensei.
Ao,
Abogatal.
Chadwick, Aka, Salvador, Mark, Daham Hisham, Ao, Kabaya, Matthew, Aka, Ali, Kian, Kan, Ao. Get ready. After 10 to 11 years old, Open Committee boys and Novice Committee boys are
Winner, Ao, AOK San Lucas Gold, Kuntao Mandaue Silver. Congratulations, please proceed to the awarding area. Thank you.
minus 63 kilograms, Cadet Boys Committee.
Versus Shihan
Simona Gia,
Leandro.
Cedric AUK San Lucas, Akare, Roma Yeshua Ayat, JKS Philippines CV, Ao, Lagenio Vince, Ayor Nathan, Ao,
12 to 15 years old,
Lucas
intermediate.
Philip K, Ao, Miguel Kyle, Aka, Estremo Kel, Luisito, Ao, Artiaga Travis, Aka, Duyan
Beijing,
Robert
Sampay
Ches,
Bambi.
Ao.
Edulan Jarod, standby, red side. Nodado Twinings, blue side, standby.
12 to 15 years old, intermediate team Kata Boys, Tatamewan, Kuntao Mandaue Cebu, Aka, ASA Cebu T3 out. In the mat, please. ASK Cebu T3. First call, ASK Cebu T3, 12 to 15 years old, intermediate team Kata Ao.
Please turn off your flash. Excuse me, ma'am. Please turn off your flash. Thank you.
Winner, Aka.
Minus
Calling Loma Aquila
Innocent,
and Shihan Leandro. Please step at the mat.
sorry.
minus 50 kilograms, women committee seniors. Camacho Juliana, red side. Tomabini Ashley, blue side. Gonzaga Siandel, blue side. Mitate Julian Ray, red side. Alvarez Tiffany, blue side. Sensei. Abogata DJ, step forward. Cuenca Terence, step forward.
Please prepare after this match. Diaz May Matilde and Lorobes Diallo.
Kakrama Santazel, raise your hand. Aka. Lauder Earl Sander, AOK, Ao. Sila next.
Step forward, Edulan and Magdalo.